Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices so pairing can succeed. Put your headset into its Bluetooth pairing mode now. This is the essential first action. Then, on the Ps5 sign into your profile and open settings, accessories. You do this because native Ps5 Bluetooth support is restricted for audio, so you'll also decide if you need a USB dongle or the headset's proprietary adapter. Once done, make sure the headset is discoverable and stay ready for the console's next connection step. Now continue with the actual connection process. If you have the manufacturer USB adapter, plug it into a Ps5 USB port and place it into pairing mode. The adapter acts as a bridge and solves compatibility issues. If you're attempting a native connection, go to Settings, Accessories, Bluetooth Accessories, and watch for the headset to appear in the list. Select it, then accept any prompts. Make sure to look for the headset's LED or voice confirmation so you know pairing completed successfully. Finish by setting audio and testing. On Ps5, go to Sound, Audio Output, and choose your headset as the output device. This routes game and chat audio correctly. Then set chat audio and microphone settings so voice works in parties. Test it in a quick party or recording. If you don't hear anything or the mic fails, reboot the console, re-enable pairing on the headset, or switch to the USB adapter or a wired connection. That troubleshooting tip often resolves the common compatibility gaps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.